Okay, today we are going to start our subject, that is computer graphics. Okay, that is first unit, that is graphics primitives and scan conversion. Okay, first we are going to see the definition of computer graphics. Okay, what is computer graphics? What is computer graphics? Computer graphics is the combination of two words, that is computer and graphics. Computer, that is system, and graphics. You have studied the graphics in diploma and first year also. Okay, graphics means plotting. Graphics means plotting of coordinates, coordinates on your graph. Okay, coordinates points or points on your graph or map. Okay, that is nothing but your graphics. Then in computer, what do you mean by graphics? Okay, in computer, the graphics means plotting of pixels. Okay, plotting of pixels, plotting of pixels on your computer screen, on your computer screen. This is nothing but the computer graphics. By using computer graphics, you have to display the images, you have to display various videos. Okay, these are the functions of your computer graphics. Okay, you can display, images, then videos. Okay, this is the function of your computer graphics. Okay, we are going to see what are the various applications of your computer graphics. What are the various applications of your computer graphics? This is the definition of your computer graphics. We are going to see applications. Okay, applications, applications of your computer graphics. First one is animation. Okay, animation. Then second one, visual effects. Okay, then in arts and commerce, then military areas, entertainment. Okay, these are the various applications of your computer graphics. Okay, in animation we have to use the computer graphics for storage of your images and videos. Okay, then visual effects. Visual effects देण्यासाठी तुम्हाला काय यूज होणार आहे? Computer graphics. Then arts आणि commerce means what? आर्ट्स मध्ये कुठं तुम्हाला जेव्हा जेव्हा व्हेरियस इमेजेस, ओके, इमेजेस आणि व्हिडिओज तुम्हाला काय करायचंय, प्लॉट करायचे आहे किंवा डिस्प्ले करायचे आहे, तेव्हा तुम्हाला काय यूज होणार आहे? कम्प्युटर ग्राफिक्स. देन मिलिटरी एरियाज, व्हेरियस मॅप, डिस्प्ले करण्यासाठी तुम्हाला तिथे पण कम्प्युटर ग्राफिक्सचा यूज होणार आहे. बरोबर. देन एंटरटेनमेंट मीन्स व्हॉट? इन मूवीज आपण काय करतो तिथं? व्हिज्युअल इफेक्ट्स, ॲनिमेशन, हे दोन्ही पण कुठे यूज होतं? तुमच्या एंटरटेनमेंट. ओके, these are the various applications. Okay, these are the various applications of your computer graphics. Okay, we have studied the first definition of your computer graphics means what? Plotting of pixels, plotting of pixels on your computer screen. Okay, on your computer screen. On your computer screen. Okay, this is nothing but computer graphics, and these are the application. So this is the, consider this is the your screen. This board is your computer screen. Then pixel means what? हे सगळं जे आहे तुझं टेक्स्ट हे सोडून तिथं ज्या काही इमेजेस वगैरे ज्या असणार आहेत, ओके, ते सर्व काय असणार आहे तुमचं कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्सचे फंक्शन्स. ओके, म्हणजे काय, टेक्स्ट सोडून जे काही तुझं ते होतंय कशावरती, स्क्रीन वरती, ते काय आलं तुझं कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स. ओके, definition, and then these are the application. These are the some examples of the application. Okay, there are number of applications of your computer graphics. Okay, so we will see some definitions regarding computer graphics. Okay, basic definitions. Basic definition. First one is your pixel. What is the pixel? Okay, basically the pixel is the combination of two words. Okay, combination of two words. First one is your picture. First one is your picture, and then second one is element. Element. First one is your picture, second one is your element. Okay, combination of these, that is pixel. It is also called as PEL. Okay, this is the combination of two words, that is picture, and element, that is pixel. It is also called as PEL. Okay, then what is your pixel? What is the pixel? We will see by diagram. Consider this is the your computer screen. Okay, computer screen. This is your computer screen. Then this is the point. This is the point on your computer screen. Okay, this is the point on your computer screen. Suppose I will give xy coordinate to this point. Okay, this is the pixel. This is the pixel on your screen. This is the pixel on your screen. It is called as smallest. It is called as smallest addressable. It is called as smallest addressable unit or point of the screen. Smallest addressable point of your screen is called as pixel. Okay, is called as pixel. The screen is the combination of number of pixels. Okay, हे काय असणार तुमचे सर्व पिक्सेल्स, नंबर ऑफ पिक्सेल्स तुमची काय झालेली आहे, स्क्रीन तयार झालेली आहे. ओके, आता तुमच्या स्क्रीन वरती काय असणार आहे, नंबर ऑफ पिक्सेल. आता मला मला काय करायचं आहे, हा एक्स प्रिंट करायचा आहे. काय करायचं आहे, एक्स प्रिंट करायचं आहे. मग मी काय डिस्प्ले करणार, जे पॉइंट्स, जे पिक्सेल्स या एक्स प्रिंट करण्यासाठी पाहिजे मला, बरोबर, ते मी डिस्प्ले करणार. बरोबर, आता काय असतं, आता हे मला डिस्प्ले करायचं आहे. बरोबर, आय हॅव टू डिस्प्ले दिस एक्स. देन व्हॉट कॅन आय डू, मला काय करावं लागणार आहे, तर जी मेमरी पाहिजे, बरोबर, जी मेमरी पाहिजे आहे एक्स डिस्प्ले करण्यासाठी ती काय करावं लागणार आहे मला, रॅन्डम ऍक्सेस मेमरी मध्ये स्टोअर करावी लागणार, बरोबर. रॅन्डम ऍक्सेस मेमरी मध्ये स्टोअर करावी लागणार, बरोबर. तर जी मेमरी लागते कशासाठी, तुमचा एक्स प्रिंट करण्यासाठी, बरोबर. ते मला कशामध्ये स्टोअर करायचं आहे, रॅम मध्ये, बरोबर. रॅम मध्ये स्टोअर करायचं, त्याला काय म्हणतो मी, फ्रेम बफर. काय म्हणतो, फ्रेम बफर. काय फ्रेम बफर, is the memory to store the image or video that I have to display. Okay, एखादी इमेज किंवा व्हिडिओ जर मला डिस्प्ले करायचा असेल, तो काय करावा लागतो, मला आधी मेमरी मध्ये स्टोअर करावा लागतो, बरोबर. मेमरी मध्ये स्टोअर करावा लागतो, त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण, फ्रेम बफर. ओके, त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण, फ्रेम बफर. ओके, देन व्हॉट इज रिझोल्यूशन, आय होप तुम्हाला फ्रेम बफर आणि पिक्सेल क्लिअर झाला असेल. ओके, सेकंड बघितलं आपण फ्रेम बफर. सेकंड बघितलं फ्रेम बफर. देन फ्रेम बफर. देन आता काय बघणार आहे, रिझोल्यूशन. आता काय रिझोल्यूशन, दी साइज ऑफ युअर स्क्रीन. ओके, नंबर ऑफ vertical points into number of horizontal points. Okay, this is nothing but the your resolution. Standard resolutions कोणते, 1024 by 768, then 600 into 800. ओके, आणखी दोन आहेत. ओके, these are the standard resolution. What is the resolution? Resolution is nothing but the number of horizontal pixels into number of vertical pixels. That is your resolution. Okay, then refresh rate. Okay, refresh rate means what? Refresh rate means speed to print the pixels. म्हणजे काय, नंबर ऑफ पिक्सेल्स प्रिंट करण्यासाठी किती टाइम लागतो, बरोबर. त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण, रिफ्रेश रेट. काय म्हणतो, रिफ्रेश रेट means what, is the speed to print the particular dots. Okay, that is nothing but the refresh rate. Okay, then next one is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth and fifth. That is color depth. What is color depth? Color depth means what, particular bit 1 2 3 4. Color depth means what, particular bit किती कलर्स डिस्प्ले करू शकतो, बरोबर. त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण, कलर डेप्थ. means what, 1 bit can store 2 colors. 1 bit can store 2 colors. Then 2 bits can store 4 colors. Then 3 bits can store 16 colors. And 4 bits can store 256 colors. Okay, can store 256 colors. Okay, these are the some standard definitions. These are the some standard definitions that you have to remember. Okay. What is pixel? Pixel is the smallest addressable unit. Smallest addressable unit. Okay. That is called as pixel. Is the combination of picture plus element. Picture plus element. Then what is frame buffer? Is the memory. Memory where we store our display images. Display images. Okay. That is frame buffer. Then resolution, number of vertical pixels into horizontal. Okay. Then refresh rate. Refresh rate means what? Speed to print particular dots or particular pixels. Okay. That is refresh rate. Then color depth means single bit किती color store करू शकतो. Okay. That is color depth. Then one more definition is there. That is aspect ratio. Aspect ratio means what? Width into depth. Okay. Means what? The width into depth means what? किती तुमची इमेजची साईज आहे. ओके. आणि लांबी आहे. ओके. That is your aspect ratio. We will see the detailed definition in next lecture. These are the 5 definitions which are the basic concepts of your computer graphics. Okay. What we have studied in today's lecture? First one is what is computer graphics. Then the applications of your computer graphics. Then pixel. What is frame buffer? What is resolution? What is refresh rate? Okay. So I will give the notes of today's lecture on your WhatsApp group. Okay. Today we will stop here. Thank you.